So basically, Vercel launched a TypeScript to native compiler. So I am now going to try it. Let's see how it is actually. See, I haven't initialized any package.json or testconfig. Let me write. So this is how we run. So it compiles to IR, then using C, it compiles down to binary. So let's test how it is actually. So see, it runs as a compiled binary. So let me check if it is actually a binary. So yes, it is a Linux ELF binary. So yeah, it does compile to native language. Now let me test some code. Does this is all this too? It's actually funny though. Let's also check the file. Here it's a ELF 64-bit executable. Okay. Mhm. Here it's around 400 kbs. So it's better than to bundle a whole V8 runtime or node instance. Yeah, pretty good.